Hello folks, good morning. This is Manoj Kumar from Core IT. In today's video, we'll see how we can set up the nmcli and how we can use that and what exactly the utility is and how we can assign a static IP. So let's get into it. So this is UTM, as I already told you in the previous video. So first of all, we created that VM in the previous video. We'll start it up. Let me just open the console. Let me just, okay, it will take some time to boot up. Meanwhile, we can try SSH. Yes, we are able to do it. Cool. So this is Rocky Linux. I, I installed this little utility called NeoFetch to fetch the details and how you can verify whether the nmcli is installed on your system or not. So you can just simply do nmcli and it will show you the output. So if you're not using Debian base and you are into like the CentOS or the Red Hat flavor, then you have the nmcli utility. In the Debian side, especially in the Ubuntu, you will see some utility name as netplan. In the upcoming video, I will also cover that. But as of now, just look into the nmcli. So this is how you can verify whether the nmcli is there or not. You can also let me see, is it visible? I hope is it visible now. So you can also do one more thing. If it is not there, install an MCLI and it will help you with that. And for the user with the and all for the Fedora use need to do DNF and install an MCLI. Okay. So now we have the NMCLI. Now let's just check what are the few important commands. Let's have nmcli con show. So it will show you all the connection. So we can run the APDDR. So it's stating us that we have two connection. The first one is hello. The hello is the loopback address, and the another one is sort of a ETH one. But here it is like a virtual thing, so that the reason it name as like this. Okay. So now we'll again do nmcli dev show. Okay. So it shows the both the interfaces, that this is the interface and all the other thing about that interface it shows. Okay, so now let's do one thing. Let's just create another interface and just try to assign the static IP address. Okay, let's see how we can do that. So first we need to just close it off and we need to shut down this machine. Once we have it shut down, we can just go to the edit and we just need to create a network adapter. Cool. So we have a new adapter with a new MAC address. Okay. Now let's just save the things. Power on it. Let's just open a wrap. The UTM will take some time, but it's pretty smooth. Once it's done, again just log into the same IP. Okay. Now if we do nmcli, so it shows us that we have three things, or like the three interfaces. One, two, three. So we already have this one, and this is the one that is newly created. I assign a static IP to this one, but this is the one that it took. Okay, it having the 13 and the one that we assign is a 61. Okay, so now let's just now nmcli con show. So here you can see we have these thing. Okay, like this is the new one that is created. Now let's see how we can modify the connection name, or how we can assign a static IP to this. Okay, so how we can verify? We can see nmcli, and first if you are new and you don't know anything, just go with it. It will show you lots of things. Okay, so we'll do nmcli, then modify, as we need to modify that. And now it's asking which interface that you want to modify. So here will but this interface is up. Okay, so first we need to make sure this interface is right. nmcli con down. Okay, so now we just power down that connection. How we can just verify like count, sorry, nmcli con show, my bad. So it shows that okay, this is the newly created interface that we created and it is down. So let's see how we can assign a static IP. So I already have a command somewhere in my subline, so we'll use that. Okay, so what we need to specify nmcli, then okay, first we need to do the con show. Okay, now we do need to nmcli con modify. because we are modify the existing connection. And now which connection or which interface that we need to modify? This is this one. We are using UUID here. Then what is the IP that we assign, or what is the method of IP assigning? That is method manual. Okay, because we are assigning a static IP. Then IPv4 dot addresses, and addresses, as previously we have 61, so we'll make sure we assign this interface 60. Oh my bad, just allow me a moment. 62. Okay, now we need to assign the IPv gate, the default IP or the gateway. So we'll do that, and gateway. Now what we need to assign, it will be this. Okay, now what else we need in the network information? We need a DNS. So how we can do that? IPv4.dns, and go with the Google one, 8.8.8, and the another Cloudflare one. Look good? Cool. This IP word. Now we need to power on the connection. nmcli con uh, up, and the connection name. In our case, this is the UID. So Control C, Control V, done. nmcli con show. Okay. Now this look good. Now let's do one thing. Like this name look bit weird. Okay, how we can change that? So again, we need to nmcli con down this. Okay, now let's see how we can change it. So it will be modify this one con dot id, and let make it 2. So it will be easy for us. Okay, now con show id got changed. Now just power on con up. Which one we need to up? Control C, Control V. Connection name nmlc con show. Okay, so both the connection up. Now if you want to see what is the IP assigned to this, nmi con show this one. So it's having the IP address. This is the DNS that we assigned. This is the IP. This is default gateway. So that's how you can uh, use it and play along with this. So I hope you like this quick video about the nmcli. So if you're having any doubt or something, you can just comment down over the in the video description. If you're still having other doubt or something, you can reach out to me over the Twitter. I also write a detailed blog about that, so you can also check that out. I will make sure I will mention that in the comment section. So yeah, that's all for this video. Have a great day, and bye bye. We'll catch up on the next one. Peace.